What's going on, family? Sorry, my dog right here. It cut. Family, it's King Izzy. Listen, first of all, I just want to start this video by saying thank you so much for subscribing to Kingdom Studies Academy YouTube channel. We have over hundreds of subscribers and we're fairly a new channel. I mean, it's only been a few months and you all already have been pouring in the love. So I just want to say I appreciate you all. And I hope that these videos, these scripture studies, everything that we put out on KSA YouTube channel has been a blessing to you all, adding value. But listen, actually, I'm going to be coming back teaching on the new scripture study that'll be aired this Sunday, and we are starting a new series called Restoring Order in the Kingdom. Listen, this one right here is that one. All right, I'm telling you right now, this new series is going to be super impactful, and it's for the whole family. All right, so I want y'all to tune in for sure, and we got a lot of more other surprises and different special videos, Paleo Hebrew videos, a lot of other things coming on, are happening. But also for everything else that we're doing with this academy, go to kingdomstudiesacademy.com if you want to book us to speak at an event, if you want to see what else we offer as an academy as far as coaching, one-on-one, group coaching, youth mentorship, whatever it is, go to our website. But this Sunday, airing Restoring Order in the Kingdom, the part 1 of this new series. I'll see y'all soon. And listen, if ain't nobody else tell you, I love you and I'm proud of you, but y'all love you more. King Izzy.